In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert text form in Card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, functional form to your one-page site and tailor it to your needs. Start by opening your browser and heading to card.co. From the home page, click Open Dashboard. This takes you to your workspace where all your sites live. Find the project you want to edit and click it to open the builder. You'll see your page with a panel of options for adding and customizing elements. To add the form, click the Add button in the builder and choose Form from the element list. Card will drop a default form onto your page, and the settings panel for that form will open on the side so you can configure it right away. Next, choose the form type using the Type dropdown. You can pick Contact if you want a standard message form, Sign Up if you're collecting emails, or Custom if you need full control over the fields and behavior. Contact is great for simple inquiries, Sign Up is ideal for newsletters, and Custom is perfect when you have very specific data to collect. While you're in the settings, set what happens after someone submits the form. Under the completion actions, you can show a confirmation message, redirect to another page, or connect the submission to a delivery method, depending on the type you selected. Keep your confirmation clear and friendly, and consider a short thank you note to set expectations. Now switch to the Fields tab to edit what users see and enter. Rename your labels, adjust placeholders, and mark any fields as required if they're essential. You can add or remove fields, change a text input to a larger text area for longer messages, and reorder fields so they flow naturally. Keep it short and relevant to maximize completion rates, and avoid asking for sensitive information you don't truly need. Then move to the Appearance tab to make the form match your site. Adjust alignment, fonts, text size, and colors. Tweak spacing, borders, and background if needed, and style the Submit button so it's visible and on brand. Small changes here can make the form feel cohesive and easier to read. When you're happy with the setup and styling, click Done to apply your changes. You can drag the form into position on your canvas so it sits exactly where you want it on the page. That's it, you've added a form, chosen its type, set completion behavior, refined the fields, and styled the appearance, all within Card.